Are you ready to take your marketing from ordinary to irresistible? Just like cooking the perfect steak, successful marketing depends on the right ingredients. Think of marketing like a culinary art. Everyone has their opinions on the best techniques, just as there are countless marketing strategies. Yet, a universal truth remains: achieving success hinges on offering something your ideal customer simply cannot resist. The foundation of successful marketing begins with simplicity. At its core, marketing solves problems and fulfills needs. Much like seasoning a steak, your solution must be tailored precisely to your audience. To capture attention, define who your ideal customer is and what they truly desire. Understand how your product can resolve their biggest challenges. Marketing isn't about being the loudest. It's about presenting your solution as the optimal answer. But now let's boil it down. The magic of marketing success lies not in mastering every ad platform or running numerous tests. It's about crafting an irresistible offer tailored to your ideal customer. In the world of e-commerce, brands finesse their offerings based on customer preferences. Affiliate marketers align specific products with niche audiences. SaaS providers focus on solving high-value problems, meeting customers where they are with exactly what they need, leads to undeniable results. How do you create an irresistible offer? Let's break it down step by step. First, define your ideal customer. Use tools like Google Analytics and surveys to uncover demographics, psychographics, and behavior. Knowing your audience is crucial. Don't market to the wrong people. Next, craft an effective solution. Identify your audience's greatest challenge. Determine how your offering makes their lives better. Your solution's unique benefits should shine like the perfect seasoning on a steak. After pinpointing your solution, develop messaging that resonates deeply. Highlight how your offering addresses their pain points. Capture their language. Avoid technical jargon unless necessary. Turn features into relatable benefits. Then simplify the conversion process. Just as a steak dinner requires an easy path to the table, ensure a seamless sales funnel. Use clear calls to action. Reduce friction in the buying process and build customer trust through testimonials. Finally, add value continuously. Go beyond sales with exclusive offers and educational resources. Build a community that engages customers, fostering long-term loyalty. Real-world examples showcase this principle perfectly. Shopify transformed e-commerce for entrepreneurs by simplifying store building. Their approach met a substantial need for small businesses and sculpted their success. Similarly, Slack tackled communication overload, creating a user-friendly platform that revolutionized teamwork. Both succeeded by mastering one thing exceptionally well for their audience. In conclusion, the path to marketing success mirrors the process of cooking the perfect steak. Serve your customers the irresistible products or services they crave. This fundamental principle transforms your marketing efforts into measurable, sustainable results. Ready to enhance your marketing strategy? Start identifying your ideal customer and crafting their perfect offering today. Join our sales workshop to discover methodologies that have empowered countless entrepreneurs. Don't wait. Improve your ROI and conversions now. The link is in the description.